Hello everybody, welcome to Art and Purulia. I am Torit Prakash Mahato, a Navy veteran and an extremely passionate painter and teacher. This video is meant for absolute beginners who want to start drawing and painting. You can be of any age. Many a times we start drawing or painting, but due to lack of basic knowledge, we get stuck and get discouraged. Sometimes we get it right and sometimes not. Painting is not at all difficult, but once the basics are clear, it makes it even easier. Through this series of Learn to Draw and Paint videos, I intend to facilitate learning drawing and painting in extremely simple steps without getting into too much of technical details. Before I start, I must convey my deepest gratitude to my art teacher in Sainik School Purulia, Mr. Suniti Kumar Maiti, and Dr. Setter at the National Defence Academy, Kadakosla, Pune. This is the first video of the series introducing the program. What do we mean by drawing and painting? It is how one represents the visual experience of the three-dimensional world, whether it is a good view, a still life, or a human figure, an animal, or a good flower into a two-dimensional paper or canvas by means of pencil, pens, or paints. Is there any difference between drawing and painting? Technically speaking, yes. When we use only lines in various shapes to express our vision or at times our imagination, we call it a drawing. Mostly a drawing is done using a graphite pencil or color pencil, crayons or pastels. On the other hand, a painting is done by using smudges or stains using paints. The popular paints used for painting are watercolor, oil color and acrylic. You can use a paintbrush dipped in oil color on canvas, but if you use only lines as a main form, it will still be considered a drawing. Likewise, you can use pastels, but if you smudge them so the boundaries are not easily discerned, it would be considered a painting. What it takes to draw and paint. Many of us believe that one needs special talent to draw and paint. It is actually not true. You need to have the will to draw and be persistent in maintaining your will. This will, combined with some basic observational skill and some basic tricks, one can easily be an accomplished artist. But one has to be willing to accept and correct the mistakes, whatever he does in the process. And of course, every skill needs practice. What is paint? A paint is made up of color, that is pigments, and binder. Pigments can be obtained from natural resources or chemically made synthetic. Same pigments can be used for all types of paints. It is the binder that makes the difference. Pigments don't have any adhesive properties. So if applied on its own, it won't stick to the painting surface. In case of watercolor, the binder is gum arabic, which is water soluble, so it can be applied after mixing with water. In oil paints, the binder is oil. In most cases, it is linseed oil. And in acrylic, the binder is acrylic polymer. Making acrylic paints are a bit complicated, but it is probably the most versatile mediums of all. I intend to discuss this medium in detail in a subsequent video. The sequence of videos. The videos should be viewed preferably in sequence, at least for a beginner, to understand the nuances. An experienced artist, however, if wishes to watch, may go to the interested section directly. The sections in broad would be introduction, that is the ongoing video. Next would be drawing. In this section, I'll cover various drawing tools and primary methods, then color theory and its application, then watercolor painting basics, then oil painting basics, and then acrylic painting basics and some more tricks and tips. I will wind up each topic with a few tutorials of drawing and painting. There are a lot of other painting mediums such as gauze, encaustic, tempera, and so on, which will not be discussed here. However, if someone is interested, he can check on net for more information. Thank you for watching this video. Watch out for the next video on drawing.